How to tie the anchor bend. Pass your working end over the object that you want to tie your anchor bend to. Go round underneath, pull it through, and just pull enough through to actually tie the knot itself, and then take it around over the top so we create a round turn. Now that we've created a round turn, what we do is just get hold of this piece of cordage here and just pull it so that we have a gap. The next thing we do is take our working end, which is in our right hand here, pass it over everything and bring it round through where you've opened up that gap. Pull it up tight to take some of the cordage through, and then the next thing we do is go round for a second time. So take your working end round and pass it through for a second time. And then once you've done that, pull it up nice and tight, dress it smartly, and there we have it, 1 in number anchor bend.